Want to build a website but don't know coding? A few years ago, you had to hire a developer or learn coding to create any website. But today, Google lets you build a website completely free. No coding, no hosting, no design experience. Hello everyone, welcome back to Get Assist, and in this video, I'll show you step by step how to create and publish your own website using Google Sites. So without wasting a minute, let's get started. Step 1 is open Google Sites. First, open Google Sites. Then sign in with your Google account and click the blank button to create a new website. If you want a ready-made design, you can also choose a template. For this tutorial, I'll start with a blank site. Step 2 is understand the editor. Before we build the website, let's understand the editor. At the top is the header. This is where you add your website name and cover image. On the right, you will see 3 tabs: Insert, Add Text, Images, Videos, Buttons, Maps and more. Pages. Create new pages like About or Contact. Themes. Change your website's colors and font. That's all you need to know to get started. Moving on to step 3, customize the header. Click on the title and enter your website name. Now click on change image to upload your own photo or choose one from Google's library. You can also change the header style to make your website look more professional, just like this. Step 4 is add content. Now let's add some content. Open the Insert tab. Now click text box to add text. Click on images to upload pictures. You can also add buttons, YouTube videos, Google Maps, forms and image layouts. Just drag and drop everything wherever you want it. No coding required. Step 5 is create more pages. Now open the Pages tab, then click on plus icon. Now we will create some pages like Home, About, Services and Contact. Google automatically add them to the navigation menu. Step 6 is change the design. Open the Themes tab. And here you can change colors, fonts and overall style. Try different themes until you find one you like. A good design makes your website look much more professional. Step 7 is preview your website now. Before publishing, click the preview button. Now check how your website looks on desktop, tablet, mobile. Make any final changes if you need it. Step 8 is publish your website. Once you are happy with everything, just click on publish. Choose your website address, then click publish again. And that is it. Your website is now live and anyone with the link can visit it. And that's how you can build a professional website for free using Google Sites. It's perfect for portfolios, school projects, personal websites and small businesses. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye-bye.